So today I'm going to do a mukbang of the greatest square pizza in New Jersey. We also got a round. I might have a couple of rounds. That's mostly for my kids. My focus is the square, baby. Try to get the square. Can you get a good visual of it? You see it? Now, if you're ever in Brooklyn, you go to Stillwell Avenue and 86th Street, L&B Spumoni Gardens. It's the best square. Now this is it's very comparable to L&B. It's got basically the same taste, the same sauce, everything. So if you're in Brooklyn, you go to L&B. But if you're in Jersey, you come to Brooklyn Square. All right, so and this pizza is very hot right now. That's the only problem. It's very, very hot. That is steaming hot. Look, you see that steam coming off? You see the steam? That's really hot, man. Ah, man, so happy. It's boiling hot. Fresh steam. You see it? You see that steam? It's really, really hot. Right out of the oven. Hot. Delicious but hot. You can still see the steam coming off of it. It's all over. The music is going to make this ineligible for monetization, but who cares? I do it just for the fun of it. This is going to come out tonight. Sophia, you want a square? Honey, give them the round. It's okay. Yeah, I'll hold this for now. We got to serve our kids too.
That was Mom's favorite song before.
Are you tired of being tracked online? There's a simple solution. DuckDuckGo. It's an all-in-one privacy
That was Mom's favorite
search
song.
engine, web browser, one-click data clearing, email
Man, this shit's hot.
all for free.
Can you grab that one for me too? It's hot, man.
Privacy protection with a push of a button. DuckDuckGo. Privacy simplified.
This is what we got here so far.
Mom, you can eat your food.
Eat. Have a slice, son.
Michael, eat your food.
Hot for them. My kids' food. That looks good.
Okay, be careful.
Beautiful. That's for my daughter Sophia. She's got the penne, and Michael's got the tortellini. Very good. Everybody's eating good. That's hot, man.
Alright. And the zucchini come out in a few minutes, okay?
I do.
Think you got enough there?
I think we're good for now.
I think we're good.
Thank you. My wife's got her healthy portobello mushroom salad. Enjoy. Wow. They're all laughing here. Wow, they're laughing at that. I'm a gavron. What are you laughing at?
The video that he said that you didn't like got like 600 views.
Which one?
The one with the fortune cookie.
Oh. You're making fun of me. I'm a gavron.
This is Ariana Grande. Does it? It just sounds like it.
You're right.
You don't even know who Ariana Grande is.
I do.
You know the guy who said,
I know.
Zucchini sticks, where would you like them?
I know.
Can we have garlic powder? Thank you.
Zucchini sticks.
Thank you.
You okay? Okay. Oh, it's okay. Did you get it stuck, Jen? You got it stuck? Oh, it's hot. Yes.
Okay, one
You gotta take one blow on it.
alright,
Okay? How much you burning?
it's a little bit too hot.
Alright guys, enjoy.
Thank you.
Wait, this is Mariah Carey.
Yeah.
I heard her kind of.
Oh man, fire, full. I don't want you to think I'm chickening out here, but my mother loves this pizza, so I gotta savor a little bit. So this is gonna be my last one here. I gotta think about my mother, you know what I mean? Eat me, a father.